First you do is you lay out the square box. Square box is 7 by 7, right? It's a 7 by 7. So I'm going to do this all real quick and rough, right? Square box. I'm going to cut it into 4 pieces. Punch that center line right there. I think it's a 4-inch round.
Yes.
You set your divider to 2 inches. This is a swing point. Shoot your circle in the middle, right? Since we're only going to lay out on this one box, we're going to bisect this circle by setting the dividers from 2 inches. So here, 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 here. I know it doesn't look center, but you're going to swing your divider from here, across, from here, across. You can do all the sides. You don't need the same thing, but you only need this one. That's all I'm going to do. So now I got those 2 points. Punch them. I'm going to punch them. I'll tag it 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to punch this point right here. That's my E point. I'm going to punch this point. This is my B point. I'm going to be swinging most of my points from this B point. Now I got my 1, 2, 3, 4 and my E. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set my divider in my B into my 4. I'm going to swing my 4 all the way up to across this top line. What's going to happen when I do that, it's going to cross my 1 and land in there. So it's going to cross the 1 and land somewhere up here, right? This is going to be my 1 and my 4. I'm going to do the same thing on this. From the B again, I'm going to go to my 3. I'm going to swing that one up. Hit the top line. That's going to be my 2 and my 3. Now my 4 and my E, this is just got to go straight up. So what I'm going to do is set my divider in there and then just put it right in my B and scribe it. So you give me my 4E. Okay? If you lay out this box, you go straight up with the 90-degree line, right? It gives you a dimension of what the body's going to do. That's the true length of your body. I think it's 4 inches tall. So you go up your 4 inches, you're going to make a punch mark. That's your true length. From this true length to here, these points are your true lengths for all your points that we're laying out right now. Alright, now that I have this done, you start my metal down, lay out. You have a line across the bottom, you go 1 inch up off the bottom. So you have your Pittsburgh, your male and female metal. I would go in the middle of my metal, right? This is my metal. I'm going to start in the middle, I'm going to go evenly out. Put a point, that's going to be B. You know it's going to be 7 inches, right? Go over 7 inches, put my other point, B again. Now my 2 B's, they're about 7 inches apart. I have my 1 inch down off the edge of my metal. Now I'm going to go start with my first point, my 1 point. I'm going to set my true length from TL here to 1. My divider is set it this way. Come over here for my B, I'm going to scribe. I'm going to scribe. I'm going to punch that point, it's going to be my number 1. Now this is where you're going to do this over and over again. I got that first one. Now I'm going to come back in here to my 2 and my 3. Set my divider in there. If you have 2 dividers, you can just lock this one in and just set it down on the table. And you're going to go to this one over and over again. It doesn't change. The true lengths change, but this doesn't change. I'm coming in here, my 2, 3 next. I'm going to swing from this 1 point over here. And I'm going to come back to my true length, and I'm going to do my number 2 now. This is my number 2. I'm going to put my divider on that 2. Come over here, scribe through, punch it, tag it. Now I'm going to come back into my circle. So like I said, if you have those dividers already set, I'm going to grab my divider and add my little point. Come back in here, my 2, 3. Come back over here, scribe. Come back to my true length again for my 3 now. I already did my 1, I did my 2, now I'm going to do my 3. Come here, my 2, 3, and my true length. Scribe. Punch it, tag it. Alright, now I'm going to do my 4. So when I come back over here, where am I going? Back to my 2, 3 here first. Come over here, scribe. Where do I get my 4 from? Huh? No. Huh? Where's my 4 on here? My true length is my 4.
On your square?
From my top.
The circle is the square?
Huh? Point it out. Where is it at up here? This one.
Is it this?
Nope.
No. Then it's B?
Nope. So I started with my true length of 1, right? Then I went to 2. Right? Then I went to 3. I went to 1. I went to 2. I went to 3. Now I need 4. Where's my 4? Huh? 1 and 4. Yeah, this is where everybody gets confused. So I want you guys to see this. Because everybody forgets that this is your 4 right here. That's your 4 point. 4E doesn't come till after. So my 1 and my 4 are the same. So I went 1, 2, 3, and I gotta come back to do my 4 now. So I'm gonna set my true length here, my 4, come out here, scribe it. This is all I want you guys to remember that, because that's very critical to fucking doing this fitting. Now we got the 4. Now I need to get my BE, my B and my E. From my B, I need to scribe my E. So I'll come over here, set up my B and my E point right here. I'm gonna swing from my B and my E line. Swing from my B and my E line. Now I need 4E. That's 4E right here. So I come get my true length from my 4E, and I'm gonna swing from my 4 through my E line. That's why it's 4E. I'm gonna swing from my 4 through my E line. Now I got my 4E. Boom, boom, 4E. That's all your points are. So now all you gotta do is just draw all your lines together, connect all the dots. Connect all your dots. You're gonna add on the top here, you're gonna have a 1/4 inch for your collar connection. On the side here, you're gonna add a 1/2 inch for your lap. And on these sides right here, and this side right here, you're gonna add 1 inch. 1 inch. You're already gonna have 1 inch here. Because you started off with 1 inch. That's your whole fitting it. Cool.